let's talk about Jesus.
Once upon a time, a lady named Mary had a baby named Jesus. He was a little king sent to us by God. He healed people, talked the truth, and did many miracles. He went away for 3 days and grows again with all power in his hand because he loves you and me. The end.